Hello there. So recently I've been using the Goldendict application as a quick reference for my translation memory files. And so I'm just going to show you how to set that up. I think it works pretty well because here in Goldendict, I just have all my TMs in a separate dictionary file, and I have them all kind of compiled in there. And then if you type in the term into the search bar, it shows you all of the TMs that have that word or phrase in the key, anywhere in the key. So it's useful if there's like a short phrase or term. Maybe you kind of already know what it means, but you want to see some different contexts for how that term is used. It's a really great way to look it up really quick. Of course, it doesn't have like the fuzzy match capabilities that a cat platform does, but because it has such a quick output, I think it's a great supplement to using a cat platform. Or if you just don't want to go through all the trouble of setting up a document in a cat platform and you're using a regular word processor, this is a great way to take advantage of a translation memory bank. Of course, Goldendict can't search TMX files, but I've made a simple script that just will take any set of TMX files and convert them into the Goldendict format. So you can get this script on GitHub. There'll be a link in the notes. The GitHub page will look like this. If you don't know how to use GitHub, don't worry about it. You can just go to the page and click clone or download and just download as a zip, and then unzip it and you'll have access to it. And you'll need Python installed in order to run the script. I have Windows and Python 3.8, but it's a really simple script, so it probably works on older ones as well. The whole directory looks like this. There's 2 input folders, 2 output folders that say ready to merge, and then this third script says merge will merge all the files into a single text document. And then that text document, you need to then run a PyGlossary script in order to make the final Stardict file for Goldendict to search. So I made 2 different scripts here. One's for 84,000 translation memory files, and the other one's just for other translation memory files. I did this because there's some extra data in the 84,000 files. It has the Tohoku and Folio numbers, so I wanted to preserve those. But if you have your own TM files, you can just use this other folder. And I'll just show you a quick example. So you have a bunch of TMX files. Let's just copy like 3 of them. Put them in the input folder. And then I'll run the convert this. I mean, these are 84,000 files. And so, oops, that's the, so it moves them to this ready to merge folder, and they're still in the TMX format. Then if you had your own TMX files, you'd put them in this other folder, and they'd export here in the other folder. And then when you run this merge script, it will take all the files in both these ready to merge folders, and it prints them out as a text file. And this text file is just a tab separated file. So you have the Tibetan, this is from the TMX files, you have the Tibetan on one side, it's the key, and then there's a tab, and then here's the definition, which is the English. And so then, so this is just all of, and they're all merged together in a single file. And so what you would do at this point is run the pi glossary script on this merged text file, and that will produce the Stardict files which Goldendict can read. So you'll need to look at my previous video linked in the notes, which will explain how to use the pi glossary script. And this is mainly set up for Tibetan to English, but in theory it could run on any language combination because it's just a really simple conversion for the TMX format. Though there might, if there's any bugs in the script for other TMX files, just leave an issue or a pull request in the GitHub, and I'll look into it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find that helpful. Thank you.